Welcome back to our channels. Your comments are precious to me. Yeah, from one of the comments I saw that I make a mistake for this video about the graph falling down, so I make an update here. The question is about falling with air resistance. Okay, so this is about resultant force graph. So when it attain terminal velocity, the net force resultant force should be zero. I make a mistake here. So when it fall down, the resultant force drops from mg quickly when become flash joined together. And the graph should look like this. Okay, remember at NASA resultant force should equal zero. Thank you for your comments. Okay, I'll improve. Okay, keep on giving me comments. Okay, part 4. Okay, calculate the average power dissipated by the air resistance. Okay, average power. So remember E equals PD. Okay, so and this dissipating what? Dissipating the kinetic energy. So remember before is 23.4 meter per second, right? And now with air resistance just 9.5 meter per second. The difference of this kinetic energy is being dissipated by the force, so the power equals half m. M is 2.7 grams, so 2.7 grams times 10 to the power negative 3, and then 23.4 square minus 9.5 square. And from the previous question, it took how long? Yeah, it took 3.6 seconds to fall down. Now it's your turn. Bring out your calculator, pause the video, and do it. Welcome back. I know you got it. It's 0.17 watts, okay? So next part is D. It's about, look, we bound from the ground 7.8 meter per second time T, and then a force 1.1 Newton. Be careful, resultant force. Sometimes it's about normal reaction force, and then you have to minus mg, but now it's good. Resultant force. So you remember F equals ma equals mv minus u over t. So we have all the thing. Okay, so 1.1 equals 2.7 times 10 to the power negative 3 times, be careful, before is a 9.5 meter per second, okay, here. But they're different directions, so we're about to change it to add them together. So the change is 7.8 plus 9.5 over time t. Calculation time again. Pause the video, work on it. Welcome back. I've sure you got it. Time should be 0.042 seconds. Okay. You did it. Well done. Remember, if you like my sharing, like and subscribe and comment. Support us. Thank you.